Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we're exploring MicroAlgo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of May 2025, our system has identified MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 58.54%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 5.85% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 6.85% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 6.85% to 1,525.76%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 11,358.16% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $189.6. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, Big Movements in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Friday, moving 27.59% between high and low. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by -8.08% on the last day, which was Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, dropping from $1.80 to $1.65. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 27.59%, with a low of $1.45 and a high of $1.85. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by -62.33% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk may slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 30 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $49.28 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $509.60, while the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 99.68%, or $507.95, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $14,298.35, below the all-time high on December 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc., trading under the symbol MLGO, has made significant strides in the quantum computing space this May, announcing multiple innovations that signal strong growth potential for the company. On the 14th of May, the company unveiled research on a quantum information recursive optimization algorithm aimed at solving combinatorial optimization problems, expanding its capabilities in tackling complex computational challenges. Just 2 days prior, it introduced a quantum convolutional neural network architecture that enhances traditional computer vision tasks, which positions MicroAlgo at the forefront of integrating quantum computing with everyday applications. Earlier this month, on the 8th of May, they developed a groundbreaking quantum image encryption algorithm, which promises higher security for image protection using principles of quantum mechanics. This could attract clients seeking advanced security solutions, indicating a robust market opportunity. The advancements culminate from a recent focus on quantum technologies that also includes a classifier auto-optimization technology and a quantum edge detection algorithm announced in early May. In addition to technological innovation, MicroAlgo reported a strong turnaround in its financial health, with a net income of approximately $7,300,000 for 2024, a remarkable recovery from previous losses. This resurgence in profitability reflects successful business adjustments that align with market demands, likely boosting investor confidence. With these developments, the short-term outlook for MLGO appears favorable, potentially leading to a rise in stock prices as investor interest grows. In the long term, sustained innovation and profitability could solidify MicroAlgo's position as a key player in the quantum computing arena, making it an attractive investment opportunity. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, along with the price-to-book ratio. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated this stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $2.28 and $9.92. A breakout above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 93.20%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock warrants closer monitoring. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have produced a sell signal 34 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 247 days ago. The short-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 21 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 20 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a sell signal 14 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages has recently indicated a buy signal from 3 days ago. For further signals and information, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.28. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased. A drop below the support could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, indicating high volatility. Given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 0.4% between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 27.59%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 38.03%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could signal risks of potential bankruptcy. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $1.80. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at $1.28. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. presents several negative signals, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that MicroAlgo Inc. will likely perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of May, we expect MicroAlgo to open lower by $0 and begin trading at $1.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.